Good morning class 7 students. How are you all? Hope you all okay at your home. So I'm your computer teacher Shifa Monga from California Public School. So welcome back to the video series of chapter number 2, number system. So in the last video we have discussed till this point, that is hexadecimal number system. So in this video we will discuss one more topic of this chapter, that is computer arithmetic. So let's start. As a computer understand only the binary codes, so the input data to the computer by the user is converted into a binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the binary numbers. Here he said that everybody knows that computer understands only a binary code, binary language, and we have to convert the user's readable form into a binary code for further processing में क्या include हो सकता है? They may involve a various kind of arithmetic operation. वो processing हो सकती है binary numbers की addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us discuss one by one. So number one is binary addition, the technique used to add binary numbers. What are the binary numbers here? 0 or 1 inside the computer is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as you perform the addition with decimal numbers. So here is the rule, is the rule chart. So suppose you have A and B two numbers. आप दोनों को प्लस करोगे, क्लियर है, बाइनरी टू बाइनरी नंबर्स आते हैं, आपको उनको प्लस करना है. सपोज वी हैव नंबर वन इज 0 and 0. 0 और 0 को जब प्लस किया तो आंसर विल बी 0. 0 1, दैट इज 0 प्लस 1 इज 1. 1 प्लस 0 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. But just remember one thing, it is not 10. It's a binary number. 10 is a decimal number. So 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. That is, it's a binary number. It's not a decimal. You cannot say this as a 10. It's not a 10. It's 1 0. So let us perform. Let us understand this with an example. So here we have one example number 1. So after this we will read this note. You will get a better idea after the example. So सबसे पहले हम लोग ये करते हैं. So here we have an example. So 1000. It's not 1000. It's a binary number. 1000 plus 1111. You have to add them. So let's add them. So I have written the same example of your book on a notebook, and correspondingly I have written the rules. So let's start. 0 plus 1, answer will be 0 plus 1, answer is 1. Right here. 0 plus 1, again 1. 0 plus 1, again 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that is 0 1. Clear? So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. So that is why I have written 1 0 here. Clear? So one more example is there. Okay class, your example number 2 is compute this number and this number. So just look at this. In this one, in this statement we have 5 ones and 4 digits here. We have a 5 digits here and 4 digits here. How can we adjust them? सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? You will start writing it from left to right. सबसे पहले this one 1, then 1, then 1, 1, 1. Clear? So after this, कहाँ से लिखोगे? From left to right. You will traverse from left to right. Again 1, ये वाला 1, ये वाला 1 मैं नोट कर लो इसके नीचे. ओके, देन दिस 1 1 0, okay, and 1. So now there is no digit for this because we have 5 numbers, 5 digits here and 4 digits here, so it is better to put 0 for it. Clear? अगर किसी डिजिट के नीचे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आता है तो you will just put the 0. So let's calculate. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, it's some 0 because we have 1 0 na, so 0 is sum, so let me write S, and this is for carry. Clear? So 0 sum 1 carry. Clear? So let's this इनको सबसे पहले करो. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, और ये वाला 1 which is carry. So क्या आंसर आ गया? 1 1. क्या है? 11. that is sum carry. So 1 is sum, 1 is carry. Clear? So 1 1, that is 1 1 sum 0 carry 1. Clear? Again 1 1 1 1 1 0, and this one, that is 1 1, that is 1 sum 1 carry, that is 1 1 1 0. So your answer is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So let us see if it is matched or not. Yes, it's matched. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Clear? So after binary addition we have binary subtraction. Clear? So here are the subtraction rules also. So 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 is 1. So all are okay, but the tricky one is this one. Just remember in your mind. Okay, just keep it in your mind that 0 minus 1 is also a 1. So let's do a one example. So here's the example. So class, here is the sum. So let's do it. सबसे पहले क्या करो, you have to go from फिगर को कैसे नीचे उतारोगे, from left to right. This one, 1 1. Now 4 digits here, 4 digits here, so there is no problem. Next is 1 0 1 0. So this 0 will be here, then 1, then this 0, then 1. Clear? So let's do it. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 equals to 1. No problem. Clear? 1 minus 1 equals to 0. No problem. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 1. No problem. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So answer is 0 1 0 1. Clear? So it's matched. So next come to this one. So this is the tricky question, so please listen it carefully. So this is the second question. Here we have the 4 digits and here we have the 2 digits. So let's adjust them. First of all, let them write here 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Clear? After this 1 here, 1 here, and what will be here to adjust? It's 0 and 0. So let's do it. Okay, I'm just going to give you a real world example. Just take कुछ आपको माइंड में रखने के लिए. I will just use a simple trick. So अच्छा, 0 minus 1. अब ये स्मॉल है, 0 is a small and 1 is big. 0 में से 1 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. तो ये अपने फ्रेंड के पास गया, इसके पास गया. क्लियर? इसके पास हेल्प लेने के लिए गया तो ये तो कहता मैं तो खुद 0 और 1 हूँ, मैं हेल्प क्या करूँगा। तो ये क्या कहता है कि चलो मेरी इस फ्रेंड के पास चलते हैं। क्लियर? ओके हो गया। अब ये 1 और 0 है, ये इनकी हेल्प कर सकता है। यस। अब इसने क्या किया, इसके ये वाले फ्रेंड ने अपना 1 इसको दे दिया और ये खुद क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया। क्लियर? इसने ये वाला जो 1 था वो अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया और ये खुद क्या हो गया, 0 हो गया। क्लियर? अब लेट्स काउंट दिस। दिस इज नॉट 1 0। अब इसके पास क्या है, 1 0। सो टेल मी वन थिंग, 1 0, 1 0 किसकी बाइनरी है, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, it's 1 प्लस, तो ये 0 हुआ, ये क्या है, 1 0। बेटा 1 0 क्या है, 1 0 किसकी बाइनरी है, इट्स 2 की बाइनरी, 2 1 0। तो 1 0 किसकी बाइनरी है, 2, तो दैट मीन्स ये क्या है, 2। क्लियर? 2 की बाइनरी क्या है, 1 0। अगर इसके पास 2 है तो इसने एक 1 खुद रख लिया और 1 अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया। ठीक है, अब 1 0 इसके पास कितना बन गया, 2। सो 2 माइनस 1 इज 1। इसके पास कितना आ गया था, 1, क्योंकि इसके पास पहले 2 था, इसने अपना एक 1 अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया था, तो कितना बचा, 1 माइनस 1 इट्स 0। इसके पास इसने अपना 1 अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया था, तो ये खुद क्या हो गया था, 0। 0 माइनस 0 0 एंड 1 माइनस 0 1। सो दिस इज योर आंसर। क्लियर? So let's see, your answer is 1001 and the book 1001. Clear? So let's do one more example for your clarification. Class, one more example is here, so I want you to solve this problem. So in the next period we will discuss about arithmetic, multiplication and division. So till then, take care, have a good day, bye.